if I tell you that this guy right in front of the camera earns $1,000 per month just at the age of 17 by just doing online stuff? Will you believe it? Hello everyone, this is Jay and today I will reveal my income sources by which I am earning thousands of dollars just by sitting at home at the age of 17 doing nothing. Source 1. Video editing agency. In January year 2022, I started a video editing agency along with my cousin that currently makes $30,000 per year. So let's go to the next source. Income source 2. What if I tell you that you can earn hundreds of dollars just by sitting at home and uploading designs for t-shirts, stickers? Will you believe it? You should believe it because I have earned thousands of dollars just by doing it. Some best print on demand sites are Teespring, Redbubble and Printful. Let's get into the next point. Source number 3. Freelancing websites. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great if you want to do part-time job and projects. My favorite site is Fiverr. Fiverr has thousands of daily active users and it is one of the best sites if you are a video editor, graphic designer or copywriter as well as coder. Talking about me, my 20% of the total income comes from Fiverr. Don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next week. Bye.